Hello my friends, today we'll be making this road in Fusion in Davinci Resolve. Files you will be able to download from my blog, and links for my blog will be under the video in video description. Alright, once you open the Fusion, you can drag 3 backgrounds like this. One for the road, we will rename it Yellow Lines. And the last one, White Lines. Change the color a little darker than the white, and then yellow to something like this. Road will be a little lighter than the full black. And now colors and backgrounds are finished. What we need now is merge 1 and merge 2. Merge 2 will be for the lines. Connect the lines like this, and then we will connect later because first we need to finish the road. Connect the road to the merge 1 and connect the merge 1 to the media out like this. Press number 2 on the keyboard to see what's happening, and now take the polygon tool, connect to the road and start drawing. So something like here in the middle, something like this here and here, and connect to finish. So first part is done. So now what we want to do is drag the road, so something like this would be fine. So now take the polygon tool, press Ctrl C to copy, Ctrl V to paste, and connect to the yellow lines. Connect the merge 2 to the merge 1 like this. White lines we will disable for a moment. Select and take the point and take them where you want. So drag like this and adjust until you are satisfied. Okay, now you select the polygon, Ctrl C, Ctrl V to copy, connect to white lines, and now we will enable white lines like this. Select the polygon again, select the points and just drag them like this, and this right side of the road is finished. We will not draw everything again for the left side. Instead we will take the transform tool like this. So we will click here, flip, and take the mask rectangle like this, connect to the mask, adjust the height to the full, and then drag this center point X to 25, and our road is finished. Okay, thank you for watching. If you like this video, give it a like, give a dislike if you didn't, follow me on social media, subscribe to the channel, comment under the video if we have any questions, and I will see you in another video.